Hey guys! So, the 8th annual Flats and Handwashing Challenge, hosted by Cloth Diaper Revival, begins Monday. I am going to do my absolute best to touch on each of the topics here on YouTube. I'm going to post the videos. If for any reason life happens and keeps me from posting a video, which has happened, it happened when I took the challenge last year, I'm going to at least be making a post on Facebook on the local Cloth Diaper Drive page. That's Plum Bum Diapers. The link to that is in the description box below, and the reasoning which I'm doing that will be covered more in detail in the topics that will be posted. So, I took the challenge last year with my, at the time, 4-month-old and 20-month-old daughter. My daughter has since been day trained, so she only has a nighttime diaper, and my son is 16 months old now. So I have his diapers, and she has like one nighttime diaper. So this year should be a lot easier than last year. But if you want to follow along with me, which I would absolutely love to have you along with me, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I also highly recommend you go and like that Facebook page because you're distracting. Because if I can't post here, I'm going to post there. So I highly recommend you subscribe and like that page, and thank you for following along with me.